Welcome to aminacademy.com. In differentiation regarding rectilinear motion, let us do some solving problems. Derivative of rectilinear motion, we showed that given a position function s of t of an object, then its velocity function vt is the derivative of st. That is vt equal to s dash of t, derivative of s. And furthermore, the acceleration a of t is the derivative of the velocity vt, that is at equal to v dash t or s double dash t. Look at this example. The equation of the free fall of an object under the influence of gravity alone is s equals to s0 v0 plus v0 t minus 16 t square, where s0 is the initial position and v0 is the initial velocity at time t equal to 0. How many seconds does it take the object released from rest to fall 144 feet? Here the distance given is 144 feet, and at time t equal to 0 we have to find time taken to reach the ground. That means the stone reach the ground, object reach the ground. Here v0 is at s equal to 0 because after falling that the stone reached the ground, the distance is s equal to 0. S equal to 0 and t equal to 0. Time taken at t equal to 0 because initial time t equal to 0. Therefore, we have to write the equation first. S equal S0 plus V0 t minus 16 t square. Here now applying this condition s equal 0 and t equal 0, therefore 0 equal S0 plus V0 times 0 minus 16 t square. Therefore you can write 0 minus 16 t square equal 0. That is here 0. Therefore S0 is 16 t square. Now, how many seconds does it take the object released from rest to fall 144 feet? Here S0 is 144, which is equal therefore t square equal 144 over 16. Then therefore equal 144 over 16, the square root. Let us calculate this. Square root of 144 divided by 16 equal 3. Equal 3 seconds. Square root of 9 is next question. From the top of the 400 feet building, a stone is dropped and let it hit the ground. Find the time taken to the stone to hit the ground and what speed it hit the ground. Here, your distance is 400 feet. Therefore, we know that S equal 16 t square because this is 400 equal 16 t square. From this, t square equal to 400 over 16 equal 25. Therefore, t equal to square root of 25 equal 5. The velocity v is distance at time t into s, which is equal, since s equal 0 minus 16 t square. That is ds by dt, that is velocity, equal, differentiating this s0 minus 16 t squared is minus 32 t. When t equal to 5 seconds, then v equal minus 32 into 5 minus 160 feet. No, minus feet per second. Thus the speed is 160 feet. Therefore, speed consider not considering minus sign. So because it's speed 160 feet per second. To change miles per hour, you have to multiply 15 by 22. Feet per second is there. First we have to feet per hour. How to calculate feet per hour? 160 into 3600. It's a feet per hour. Then this we have to convert feet per hour into miles per hour. We have to multiply so feet per hour, which is equal miles per hour is we have to do this calculation, that is this much enough. Get use this feet per second is enough. First here, this velocity is in feet per second. It hits the ground at speed of 160 feet per second. Next question. A stone is thrown straight down. Straight down from the height of 480 feet with an initial velocity 16 feet per second. How long does it take to hit the ground, and with what speed does it hit the ground? How long does it take before the rock is moving at a speed of 112 feet per second? Here, the height S is given S0, S equal to initial position is 0 plus V0t minus 16 square. This is a motion equation where S0 is 480 feet and V0 equal to minus 16. V0 is minus 16. V0 is my initial velocity is minus 16 because it's downward, and this S0, therefore S equal S0, that is 480 minus 16t and minus 16 t square. So we are using this as, we took 16 out, then we have 30 minus t minus t square. Now further we can factorize this 16. If you factorize this 30 minus t square is 6 plus t and 5 minus t. When s equals 0, then s equals 0, then t we have t equal to minus 6 and t equal to 5 seconds. So we take positive sign, therefore velocity v is distance into this dts, that is distance at time t, equal minus 16 distance equation we have. Already we have distance equation is ds by dt is then v0 minus 32t. This minus 16 minus 32t. Since here v0 is minus 16, this differentiation of s equal to v. Therefore, differentiation with respect to time is v. Therefore, when t equal to 5 seconds, then v equal minus 16 minus 32 into 5 equal minus 16 160, which is equal minus 176 feet per second. So the rock hits the ground with a speed, therefore speed of the rock, speed of the stone, speed of the stone hits the ground is v equal 176 feet per second. Positive direction, positive you take. Now under the same conditions, how long does it take before the rock is moving at a speed of 112 feet per second. Suppose the speed is on coming down, speed is increasing. At here, final speed is 176. At intermediate speed of 112 feet per second, we have to, therefore, Vs, now we have the expression V equal minus 16 minus 32. Now V is minus 112 is minus 16 minus 32t. Minus 112 plus 16 equal minus 32t. So minus 96 equal minus 32t. Therefore t equal minus 96 over minus 32 equal 3 seconds. That means at 3 seconds, that means from the dropping the stone, after 3 seconds it reached the speed of 112 feet per second. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.